Have you ever been denied credit for something you thought you absolutely qualified for? It can be a frustrating experience, leaving you wondering what went wrong. Maybe you blamed yourself, tightened your belt, and vowed to be more financially responsible. But what if the culprit wasn't your spending habits, but a number you had no control over, your credit score? Credit scores are a mysterious beast. They hold immense power over our financial lives, dictating loan approvals, interest rates, and even insurance premiums. Yet, for many, understanding how they're calculated and where to find accurate information remains a challenge. Enter Borrowell, a Canadian fintech company offering free credit score monitoring. But with so many players in the credit game, a crucial question arises: is the credit score Borrowell provides actually accurate? The answer, like most things in finance, isn't a simple yes or no. Let's dive deeper and unpack the truth behind Borrowell's credit scores. Understanding the credit score landscape. First, a quick credit score 101. In Canada, there are two major credit bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion. Each bureau collects information on your borrowing habits, payment history, and credit utilization, the fancy term for how much credit you're using compared to your limit. They then use this data to generate a credit score, a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. Here's the catch: Equifax and TransUnion have their own unique scoring models, meaning your credit score might differ slightly between them. Additionally, lenders often use their own variations of these models when assessing your creditworthiness. So, while Borrowell might show you one score, the bank you're applying for a loan with might be looking at a slightly different version from the other bureau. Borrowell and the Equifax Risk Score. Borrowell specifically provides you with your Equifax Risk Score, ERS 2.0. This is a legitimate and widely used score in Canada, employed by many lenders. Borrowell emphasizes this because it allows you to get a sense of how you might be viewed by potential creditors. However, it's crucial to remember that the ERS 2.0 is just one piece of the puzzle. The score you see on Borrowell might not be the exact same one a lender uses. There could be a slight discrepancy due to factors like timing. There might be a lag between when Borrowell receives your updated information from Equifax and when a lender pulls your report. Additional information: lenders often consider factors beyond your credit score when making decisions, such as your income and employment history. So, how accurate is Borrowell's credit score? Here's the bottom line: the credit score Borrowell shows you is accurate in the sense that it reflects your Equifax risk score. This is a legitimate and valuable metric used by many lenders in Canada. However, it's not necessarily the exact score a specific lender will use, and it doesn't represent the whole picture considered during the credit approval process. Beyond Borrowell, getting a holistic view. So, what can you do to get a more comprehensive understanding of your credit health? Here are some tips. Obtain your free credit reports. You're entitled to a free credit report from both Equifax and TransUnion once a year. Review them carefully for any errors or discrepancies. Consider paid credit monitoring services. Several companies offer paid credit monitoring services that provide more in-depth analysis and score tracking from both bureaus. Build a healthy credit history. This is the most important step. Make consistent on-time payments, keep your credit utilization low, and avoid applying for too much credit at once. Remember, a good credit score is a powerful tool that can unlock better financial opportunities. By understanding how credit scores work, using Borrowell as a starting point, and taking proactive steps to improve your credit health, you can take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.